Hello and welcome to a new quick tutorial video of Adobe Illustrator. Click on the rectangle tool or press M for shortcut. Select a color of your choice. Turn off stroke color. And make a background by dragging over the artboard. Go to Object, Lock, and lock the selected background. Or press Ctrl 2 for shortcut. Then click on Type tool. Resize. Choose your favorite bold font. And type anything. Align the object to the middle of the artboard. Select Color Picker tool. Or press I for shortcut. And change font color to the color you have used for the background. Now go to Effect, 3D, and select Extrude and Bevel. A new window will appear. Change the position to isometric top. Change the extrude depth around 78 points. Keep surface to plastic shading. Then click on More options. Enable Draw Hidden Faces option. Keep shading color to black. And change blend steps to around 256. Preview it. And press OK. Now go to Object. Expand Appearance. Now select Direct Selection tool or press A for shortcut. Hold Shift and select only top objects like I am doing. Press Ctrl X to cut the object, then press Ctrl F to paste that object to the front. Now go to Object, Compound Path and select Make. Select everything and again go to Object, Clipping Mask, and select Make and the design is complete. You can move it anywhere you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials.